flush.
Oh, you interrupted my bath. Hello?
Hello? Is this Tony?
Yeah, this is Tony from Tony's Plumbing. What is it you need plumbed?
Yeah, I got some plumbing that I need for some plumbing. I got some plumbing for you to do.
I'll be there any minute. I'm here for the plumbing.
Thank God. Come on, let's go. The shit's this way. I don't know what happened. I mean, I just ate a very healthy breakfast.
Oh my God! What were you doing in here?
It was the Mexican food last night.
No,
I'm sorry.
Oh,
I can't be in here with my rich clothes.
you're gonna need to get a real plumber in here. Yeah, I don't know if I can do anything about this. You, get in here now.
What do you want? I can't be seen with you.
What is that in there?
It's on the 12th soccer trophy.
There's an Action Man figurine in your poo.
Don't question my diet.
That's a 1/4-inch angle grinder. I need one of those. Look, I don't know if I can help you in there. We're gonna need a real expert for that. I got a guy, Dave from Dave's Plumbing. He's the best there is. I've seen him take on shits you wouldn't believe. I gotta call him in.
Alright, to be a great plumber, you really gotta know your shit. You gotta love the shit. You gotta smell the shit. You gotta taste the shit. You even gotta nibble the shit a little. You know, rub it on your cheek, put it up your nose a little, and then eat the whole thing. Nutty. It's nutty. What are you touching my phone for?
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm new.
Yeah, it's Tony.
Yeah, Dave. I got a job for you. It's a doozy. You remember that time there was an elephant, 3 killer whales, and 40 homeless people all sharing that one bathroom?
Oh, of course I remember that incident. It was horrific. We were really off shit creek. And we know shit creek because we're in the plumbing business. The big part of the business. You know, after an incident like that, you know, it really brings 2 people together.
It's even worse than that time. I need your help with this one. I can't handle it alone. Get over here now.
I'll be there soon. Alright. I love you. I love you, Tony. We're here to fuck shit up.
Dave, I'm glad you're here, my friend. It's horrific. It's terrible. Come right this way.
I mean, I've handled some big shit in my time. This one, I'm sure it'll be no problem. I mean, like... Terrible! You could not have warned me about something this bad.
I've seen it before, and I'm still shocked.
It's like a fine wine. It's just growing stronger with age.
Do you live near a nuclear power plant or something?
Oh, cover your nose. It's not so bad.
Oh, you're right. That does. It stops the odor from what I thought. After years of plumbing, we would have learned that.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, well, Dave, I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to leave you to this one. There was a large family of Chinese people, and I went out to P.F. Chang's last night.
No, that's a worse
It's
restaurant.
horrible. Oh,
You know how Asian people are with China, with
I
food.
don't think some of them made it back.
Oh, really?
I've got to go handle this.
You take those gas matters.
You take care of yourself. You got quite a job here.
Don't worry, I've handled shit like this in my time. Oh God, it's bad. Assistant, come in here. Bring the biggest hammer we got. That was a test. What the hell could you do with a hammer in a plumbing situation? Bring me up something. Anything you got. Anything you got. I need anything. All right, I can work with this. Oh! Die, demon third. Oh God. I'm gonna have to handle this alone. Oh God. All this pool work really makes you need a shit. I don't think I'll notice. These overalls are ridiculous.
I hope you're not taking a shit in there. The pipes are blocked.
I'm not doing the shit.
Okay, I'll leave you to it.
What am I doing? Oh, it's poo! It's poo! Oh my God. God. This is why I got in the plumbing business. The most delicious poo I've ever had. I gotta go. I'm done, okay? I've done all I can. Nothing's wrong with my face. Oh, God.
It still smells in here!
Get the tools. Oh, yeah, he's dead.
Hey! You come back and finish your job!
Never plumbing again. Never plumbing again.
I'm not paying you.
Why did I eat the poop? I can't believe myself. And by the way, I still expect my paycheck. Oh, God. I gotta get me some more poop.